After torrential rains in the state of Andhra Pradesh, several parts of the state still remain flooded. Several parts of East Godavari and Vijayawada were inundated as flood waters flowed downstream into nearby villages. The rescue operations at the moment are underway. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu conducted an aerial survey of the impacted areas and even met with the local residents. He also met with everyone who's been living in those areas which have been flooded.
We're here in Kanakalanka on the borders of West Godavari, and the entire area out here has been completely inundated with flood water. Every monsoon, this is the plight of over hundreds of people who have gathered here, who are seeing this conditions in and across the area. In fact, the plight is such that in across every house as well, there are also people who have kept boats in and around this area as well, just to help them travel out into the land to reach as well. Boats that are kept on one side, and on the other side, people who are trying to see how help can be brought to them. All of them out here, you can see, remain here almost for days going on without any power or any kind of assistance. Only assistance that they're given is when local leaders come here once or twice and they come and offer them assistance, all of them coming on in such locations. We're here at Appanapalli at B.R. Ambedkar Konaseema district, and this is the situation on ground. People who have to cross and go into their villages will have to cross via tractors. Young and old, women, children, everybody. These rains and floods have spared no one. All of them who have been trapped in these villages, forced to travel using these kind of vehicles as Godavari River's fury continues to carry on. The question that arises, when will the normalcy come back? Or rather, the question if this is going to be the new normalcy for some time forward. With video journalist Prasad, Apurva Jayachandran, India Today. We're here in Konaseema district at Appanapalli, and this is the situation here. Several people who have been stranded in the floods, all of them who have to come by using these tractors. In fact, this entire area, we're at Konaseema district, and the Godavari river that flows by, entire area has been inundated with water. Several people with women, children and old people who have all gathered here. All of them have no other means to go by and cross this road if not for crossing these rains and these torrential floods that have been lashing across Andhra Pradesh. In fact, not only here in Appanapalli but also in Pennapadnalanka and several other villages in and around this area. Over tens and thousands of people have been left stranded with no connectivity. All of this area out here, there is flood water that has been increasing with speed day by day. The last 10 days have been quite difficult for the people of Andhra Pradesh, as several areas, several districts have seen heavy rains lashing in and across, due to which several roads leading to smaller villages such as this have been left inundated. With video journalist Prasad at Appanapalli, Apurva Jayachandran, India Today.